But I think we're all improving in respective lives as we grow older. Priorities anta maartayi. Ask him. You have a question?
Hello.
Go ahead, Kiran.
Okay.
You
Hello.
No fear.
Good morning.
Do the best you
What
can.
was that presentation with like Jeevan?
Good. So let's start in ascending order after Jeevan. Bhargavi, any thoughts to share?
చాలా బాగుంది నాన్న ప్రెజెంటేషన్ అంతా. మీరు లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఫియర్స్ ఇచ్చారు కదా, అవన్నీ గో త్రూ అంటే అవన్నీ ఉన్నాయనిపించింది మీ లిస్ట్లోని. కానీ మీరు చెప్పే ఇది చూసారా, అంటే ప్రాసెస్ స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ హౌ టు డీల్ విత్ ఇట్, అది చాలా బాగా నచ్చింది. సో ఇట్ షుడ్ బి నోటెడ్ డౌన్. అంటే మనకి ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇవి ఒకసారి లిస్ట్ పెట్టుకుంటే మనం ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ రిమైండర్ అన్నట్టు చాలా బాగుంది. జై బాబా.
బాగుంది నాన్న, చాలా బాగుంది. మీరు పాస్ట్ ఫ్యూచర్ ప్రెసెంట్ అని ఒక ఇది పెట్టారు చూసారా యారోస్ తో. కొంతమంది ఎక్కువ పాస్ట్ గురించి ఆలోచిస్తారు, ఫ్యూచర్ గురించి ఆలోచిస్తారని. మా యోగా గురువు చెప్పింది ఒకటి గుర్తుకొచ్చింది. మనిషి బాడీలో 3 నాడీలు ఉంటాయంట. ఇడా నాడి, పింగళ నాడి, సుషుమ నాడి అని 3 నాడీలు ఉంటాయి. ఇడా నాడి అంటే ఈ ఫ్లోస్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. నియరెస్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ మన పల్స్ అంటాం కదా, కానీ నాడీస్ ఆర్ ఫ్లో ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. సో ఇడా నాడి రిప్రజెంట్స్ మూన్, పింగళ నాడి రిప్రజెంట్స్ సన్, సుషుమ నాడి ఈజ్ మోర్ ఏ స్టేబుల్ అండ్ it has no inclination. సో ఇడా నాడి బాగా పనిచేసే వాళ్ళకి, అంటే ఎక్కువ పనిచేస్తున్న వాళ్ళకి పాస్ట్ గురించి ఎక్కువ భయపడతా ఉంటారు. అంటే ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ అలౌ దెమ్ టు టేక్ నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్స్. అమ్మో ఎప్పుడో ఇట్లాగైంది, మళ్ళీ ఇట్లాగ అవుతుందేమో. సో అట్లాగా దే ఆర్ ఆల్వేస్ స్టక్ ఇన్ ద పాస్ట్. తర్వాత కొంతమందికి ఈ పింగళ నాడి బాగా పనిచేస్తుంది. అంటే దే ఆర్ మోర్ వరీడ్, అంటే ఎక్కువ వరీడింగ్ అబౌట్ ఫ్యూచర్. అమ్మో పిల్లలు పెద్దవాళ్ళు అయిపోతారు, యూనివర్సిటీకి డబ్బులు కావాలి, అమ్మో మనం రిటైర్ అయిపోతాము, అప్పటికి ఇంకా ఎంత కావాలి అంత కావాలి, ఇలాంటివన్నీ ఎవరికి పింగళ నాడి బాగా ఎక్స్ట్రాగా పనిచేస్తున్న వాళ్ళకి ఇది భయాలు. సో దానికి యోగాలో విశిష్ట నాడి శోధన అని ఒక బ్రీతింగ్ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ ఉంది. అది చేస్తే ఈ నాడిని ఆ నాడిని బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసి సుషుమ నాడి బాగా పనిచేస్తుంది అనమాట. అంటే we will start thinking more about the present than the past or the future. ఇది నా యోగా క్లాస్ లో నేర్చుకుని చెప్పాను.
Very interesting, Sidhu. Never heard this before, but very interesting. One of these classes.
సరే, మరి ఇది ముందు నన్ను అడుగుంటే నా ఫోటో కూడా పెట్టేవారు.
yoga pose lo, if you send me the position yoga pose, I would have put it.
Nice, Sidhu.
ఇప్పుడే లైవ్ లో చూస్తున్నాం కదరా, ఫోటో ఎందుకు, ఒక ఫ్లాష్ 1 second. How much time we are watching you?
మా జీవన్ ఫోటో, మా ఫోటో పెట్టలా.
జీవన్
వచ్చాడు కదా, జీవన్ కూడా
watching you.
Okay, Pawan, you want to go next?
Pawan వచ్చాడా?
Pawan వచ్చాడు, joining. I don't know what point you joined, Pawan, but
I'll go a little later. I'll go in the end. Okay.
Okay.
Just keep continuing. I'll come in the end.
Okay. Jeevan, any more comments? Any more words of pearls of wisdom?
Jeevan, I asked him a question. How does the fear physiologically affect? I showed anxiety, stroke and heart attack. మీ అన్నగాడేడ్రా ఉన్నాడు?
విన్నాడు రా, వాడు ఇప్పుడే బయలుదేరినాడు. ఇందాక విన్నాడు నీ మాట, నీ స్పీచ్. వాడికేం కామెంట్స్ ఉండవులే, వాడు అసలే భయస్తుడు.
కామెంట్స్ ఇవ్వడానికి కూడా భయమేనా?
వాడికి అన్నిటికీ భయాలే వాడికి. సో he'll be fine. He left. సిద్ధు నెక్స్ట్ ఎవరు మాట్లాడతారో నెక్స్ట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ ఎవరో సిద్ధు ఫోటో పెట్టండి బా. ఎవరు
అన్నిట్లో పెట్టాలా?
అన్నిట్లో పెట్టండి.
అన్నిట్లో రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్
బాబా తర్వాత సిద్ధు ఫోటో.
అది మనం మాస్టర్ టెంప్లెట్ లో వేసేద్దాం.
నువ్వు ఎన్ని మాటలైనా చెప్తా ఉన్నా జీవనం, నీ ఫోటో పెట్టింది కదా.
Okay, next, Jeevan, any other comments, Jeevan?
No more comments. I'm waiting for others to chip in.
Okay. Praveen? Treadmill Praveen.
ప్రవీణ్ థ్రెడ్మిల్ అయ్యి లాల్ పోసుకుంటాడు ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్లు వీడియో లాంచ్.
ప్రవీణ్ దిగుమతికి వెళ్ళాడు, వచ్చాడు ఇప్పుడే.
వినపడుతుందా?
వినపడుతుంది.
జై బాబామాయ్, బాగుంది, వెరీ నైస్, వెరీ వెరీ క్లీన్ అండ్ చాలా స్లోగా యూ టచ్డ్ ఆన్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫియర్. అగైన్ జీవన్ చెప్పినట్టు అన్నీ మనకు తెలిసినవే కానీ or Bhargavi చెప్పిందో, you put it in a structured way so we could understand the causes of fear and how to overcome it. కానీ అదే నాకు ఎప్పుడు కాజ్ అండ్ ఎఫెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది కదా ప్రతి దానికి. వన్ ఆఫ్ ద థింగ్స్ దట్ ఐ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ లుక్ ఎట్ మై సెల్ఫ్, వాట్ డూ ఐ ఫియర్ అంటే ద మూమెంట్ ఐ డోంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ప్రాపర్లీ ద కాజ్ ఆర్ ద ఎఫెక్ట్, then I get into the darkness of fear because I don't know what it is. So if I don't know, then I'm fearful. For example, if someone says you got to move to a different city, I don't know what that move looks like. Even that is slight different variations of fear, right? Work lo kuda chaala untayi, ammo em jarugutundi ani. But if that's all based on, if you don't understand the cause, the proper cause, and there's no logical thinking there, if that's missing, or the effect, what could happen, and understand what the repercussions would be, I think fear. And then as you said, effect lo, the desirable effect, right? We want to make it desired state. నా desired state ఏంటి, అది ఎలాగా, అది రాదా అని చెప్పి దాంట్లో కూడా fear is involved. So I think it's interesting how you kind of framed it. బాగుంది. జై బాబా.
జై బాబా. Thanks, Praveen. Prasanna?
Nothing much to add, Kiran. Mai chala bagundi, Mai. I think you have done a good job in making it more comprehensive and understandable. So there's nothing much. Praveen cheppinattu and what Jeevan has said, and Sidhu, something new he has added with this yoga thing, and that was interesting. Nothing much, Mai. Good. Jai Baba.
Okay, Prasanna, very good. Jai Baba. Amma, ready?
Unmute yourself. Very very nice talk, really engrossed, clear cut. Maak telusine, whatever you told we know, but when you are telling, you are pointing out to us. Okay, Mark, yes, we know every point, Jeevan, but when it is a reminder, so many flaws in a fear anedi. My subject is psychology. Maaku phobias and fear, different phobias, fears, different topic adi. Okay, okokalkemo they can't come in the crowd, that sort of, as Ravi said, heights, water phobia, ఇలాంటి డిఫరెంట్ అవి ఒక సార్ట్ ఆఫ్ డిసీజ్ అనుకోవచ్చు, నాట్ డిసీజ్, సమ్ సార్ట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్. ఓకే, ఇది నాకు వాట్ ఐ ఫీల్ ఇదేంటంటే ఫియర్ క్రియేట్స్ యాంగ్జైటీ. ఓకే, ఫియర్ అండ్ యాంగ్జైటీ క్రియేట్స్ వరీ. యాంగ్జైటీ అంటే ఏంటి? ఫీలింగ్ ఆఫ్ వరీ, నర్వస్నెస్ ఆర్ అనీజ్ అబౌట్ సంథింగ్ విత్ ఎన్ అన్సర్టన్ అవుట్కమ్ అది. ఓకే, ఈ యాంగ్జైటీ ఫియర్ వలన ఇవన్నీ వస్తున్నాయి. ఇక్కడ ఐ వాంట్ టు కోట్ బాబాస్ థింగ్, The moment the intensity of your faith will reach its height, you say goodbye to worry. Live more and more in the present, which is ever beautiful and stretches away beyond the limits of the past and future. Seize mental tension and train your mind to pass over thoughts. The mind is the monkey. Mind create చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. I will bring here conflict between mind and heart. Mind says, no, 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 don't go near, that is dangerous. Heart will say, come on, you can do it. You have that skill. Alaga. It's different when we are facing different situations. Okay. When we are expecting or anticipating something is going to happen, upper fear will come. Oh, whether we will get it or not. And I want to bring little bit of detachment, spiritual word. Suppose if we say leave the results, Bhagavad Gita said, Meher Baba said, leave the results. If you worry, I don't worry for you. If you stop worrying, I will worry for you. I give the result. In Bhagavad Gita, leave the results. And why he said that? Don't worry about it. Leave it to God. You are in the hands of God, in the safe hands. Do it. Do your best. That is the good message from the. Actually, now what I feel, no, మన mind we have to train it nicely. Okay, fear వచ్చినప్పుడు. Why should we fear? God is there. So automatically for me, for all of us, remember immediately God's name will come. Okay, most precarious situations low. The last week, as I said, prayer, remembrance of God's name helped us a lot. Okay, here one a joke laga akka nenu in Vijayawada, we are cleaning that loft. Praveen was cleaning. This is a small joke in the between. There was some small problem. Akka, Baba, Baba, both of us say, he started shouting for everything, Baba, Baba. He will bored of such lovers. He'll throw his daman and run away. Praveen's joke. Sorry, I was coming from auntie's place. Okay, I didn't get any auto. Then I was walking that road, that electronic city road, that very busy road, high road and matter. Then the pavement, they dug it. I am walking with traffic, busy traffic. So it's high speed. Then I thought, okay, Baba, so some car hits me. Morning, corporation fellow will take me. Baba. Each step I was remembering. Then when the auto came, little bit, what happened before my this cataract surgery, before my surgery, Prasanna, my hip surgery, before 2014. But fear was there means we were not able to see. It was 7:38. That is the time all the IT people coming back home. Now, so each steps, ba. Then I have to suddenly when auto stopped. Okay. Then I got why this auto stopped in this busy street. That fellow, I asked one burqa, one Muslim lady said, can I sit in the auto? Can I get down at Garuda Mall? I'll catch them. If I get the auto, I will get down. That lady didn't respond. I spoke in English, Kannada, Hindi, everywhere. That auto fellow, what he said, come, sit. I will drop you there, he said. I jumped into the auto at the Garuda Mall. He got down and called one auto fellow, put down. This Amma is going to Old Airport Road. Leave her. Okay. The next day, Pawan came. When I was narrating, Pawan also said, Pawan, Baba, how he helps me when I remembering the same thing like that. Why do you leave Baba in doing his universal work? For silly auto, you were asking, Baba, you be careful. Why did you come 8:30 from auntie's house? You should early. And that fear, we are training our mind by remembering God, overcoming the fear. Okay, fear in dangerous situations, when we are there, what comes, I say Baba because I believe in Baba. Baba comes immediately, like a constant companion, compassionate father. Okay, here he shows something, some way to come out of that fear, that anxiety, that worry. These are all interconnected words. Okay. Little fear, concern should be there. Fear, when fear comes, we have that when we are that conviction, no, he is there. He will come in time. When Draupadi called, oh Krishna, when she shouted with bottom of her head, immediately ran from that his place, came running to help her like that. We have that strong conviction. Yes, we have some fears. One day, I'm very sick, but if you don't get scared or anything. If I tell you how Baba is helping, I'm telling you, okay? I'm very sick. Then I want to take water. With great difficulty, I came till the sofa. I couldn't go to kitchen. Then I sat in the sofa. I switched on Baba's photo. No, Baba, okay, Baba, I'm ready. Baba, you want to take me? I'm ready. Okay. I said, and I was doing like that, Baba. Baba, I sat there. After 10-15 minutes, I got the strength. Okay. I went inside and took some water and this watermelon pieces I ate. Midnight, around 2 or 3 o'clock. Went and slept. In the morning, I got up with good strength. I got up. See, at a certain time, because of our aging, maybe our end is coming, is it coming, a sort of thing. And for us, the faith, we have to train. We haven't had a detoxification. We have to detoxification of our mind. When the child is unruly, we train them up. Suppose if we go somebody's house, hey, don't behave properly, don't do this, do that, and like that. Our mind will be unruly child going, running here and there, but we have to discipline it. So, by default, I told you that automatically that God's name comes not only in difficult times, in happier times also. That the confidence and strong conviction is there. He is there for us. He takes care of us. That sort of because we experienced so many times, and our faith in God, that will help. So we have to detoxify creation, like our body. Now we do it, fruits and Vaikuntha Ekadasi. When I did fasting, next day, how nice we are feeling. No, that is very important. How we do body fasting, like that for the mind also. Completely, we are going to do next Saturday, New Year, 10 hours this Eknam. So completely Eknam, of course, our mind will be running here and there, but we'll bring it back. Come on, sit down and discipline it. So that is my way of overcoming fear. Okay.
Nice, ma.
Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. Jai Baba. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
Okay. We'll go to Gautam. Shall we ready for some comments?
అందరూ అయిపోయారా?
I was going to go to Mai and Chantimai and Prabhakar Mai a second thought.
Okay. Well, I happened to hear in psychiatrist regarding psychiatrist talk on matter. There's a webinar on happiness. So, am I audible, right?
Yes, clear.
So he was talking about the 7 emotions. Okay, 7 emotions of life. Dantlo fear vachindannamata. So fear is not as something to be avoided. That fear is a normal, natural reaction of the human. Okay. So fear ni mano negative ga తీసుకుంటే there's no point. It is a positive reaction. Fear is a positive reaction. Anxiety is something that you have to address. Okay, that is something that needs treatment, or needs Baba, or needs Guru, or something. Fear is normal. Fearless ante you'll become reckless. And you don't have any caution in life and matter. You tend to become more irrational. So fear is something of is a natural emotion that comes out of a human being. And everyone should have it, actually. Fear is a normal reaction. Adi, actually his point of view, I thought that's right, actually. Right. Anxiety is something that you have to address to. So that's something I want to talk about.
Can I comment on that?
Yes, ma'am.
See, I did not make my talk too long, but this is another thought I had. fear is all sometimes misunderstood, lack of analysis, lack of intellectual thinking. So fear can be avoided. ఇప్పుడు రెడ్ లైట్ వచ్చింది, ఆగిపోయాం, ఫాలో ద రెగ్యులేషన్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఏమైనా అన్ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ సిచ్యువేషన్ హ్యాపెన్, we stop. Yeah, it appears to be we are facing some sort of a fear, but no, we are giving ourselves some time. What should be our future action in this situation? So we have to give some time for us to think about it, analyze it, understand it. So fear can be misunderstood for all the other things. So fear, we don't have to say, oh, I got to have a fear, then only I'll progress. That is wrong. We have to analyze it. We have to understand this. These are the other names for that fear, Gautam, you are mentioning. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
It is natural. It is natural.
It is constant reaction. Kirata, 1 minute. So, Chinana.
See, that's
So,
why I
and-
said fear.
Let's Gautam, you finish your reply to Mai and Amma, then you come in after that, okay?
Okay, so am I to talk or like
Yeah,
Geeta?
Gautam, you talk now. You talk.
Okay, so fear is something. Fear is an instant reaction. దానికి మనం కంట్రోల్లో ఉండదు అసలు. ఒక ఇంపల్సివ్ ఎమోషనల్ యాక్షన్ కి we don't tend to analyze during that time. But suppose something out of the blue that comes up, we tend to react with fear. Okay, anxiety is something that happens over time. Okay, ఈ ఫియర్స్ అన్ని అక్యుములేట్ అయ్యి మనకి యాంగ్జైటీ ప్రతి చిన్న వాటికి దానికి మన యాంగ్షియస్ అయిపోతుంటే then brings about a consistent fearfulness or consistent anxiety. You can't say fear at that time. At that point, you can say anxiety at that point. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Amma. Chippa,
Anxiety begets fear, right?
Anxiety is born out of fear.
It begets fear.
Product of fear is the anxiety.
Okay. Can I come in?
Yes. 30 seconds, Amma. Chippa.
See, I have seen two children in a family. One daughter and brother. Daughter is very adventurous, very brave. Elder brother is very timid, always trying to sisters behind and taking her help. Okay, what I feel, Gautam, I take from spiritual point of view, we are all 7 children. We all have different mannerisms or traits. Okay, we same parents we are born, or Sidhu or you or Kiran or Pavan, Prasana, Praveen, everybody. Okay, we are all different personalities. From where we are getting same parents we are born, why we didn't get same qualities? We come with a baggage of our samskaras. Our personalities are the continuation of what samskaras we have done last janma. Okay, this is from spiritual point of view. I am telling you, that child, 2 children, I was telling, extreme fear. That boy, that girl is very adventurous. Why they are like that? So what I feel, and science says genetical certain things. Okay, what from spiritual point of view, what I want to say, this is our previous janma, previous samskaras continuation. Okay, this anxiety, auntie used to have that anxiety in always about anxiety, too much anxiety because of her age, 100 years. I used to say, this is with the aging also, some little bit the confusion will start because of eyesight will become dim, and way of walking for me, where to go, walking became slow, like that. That is what I want to say. So spiritual point of view, I want to say, with personalities we get it. And Bhushan's sister's child, exactly Meher says, extreme fear. She doesn't leave her mother. She doesn't go to anybody. They wanted to show doctor something. They, being Baba lovers, he says samskara, after sometimes he will improve, like that they were saying. Jai Baba.
Jai Baba. Jai Baba. Atta, Manata? Atta?
Yes.
Please go ahead, Atta. Sorry, I went in the wrong.
No problem. So very nice, well prepared talk, Ravi. I know when you were still tired and near some, you got excited and you started preparing. I was observing. So I agree with Gautam completely on fear. It is spontaneous. It comes automatically on a situation. But in your presentation, you said, we think too much. So that's where you need to have control on when you started thinking, when you were afraid of something, then when the fear came, and then you need to put a stop there, and then you need to think. Yes, people think, but you can stop thinking process going long to shorten it and bring safety into it to say, okay, I'm afraid of this. What can I do to eliminate this fear, right? So, and then come up with plan of action, steps that you can take that are in your hands. Then comes Geetaka's, topic of believe in God completely, hold on to the Daman, trust him. But God will, Baboy, do something, he will say, unless you take action, because we are human beings. He created us with the knowledge and intellect. So he wants us to act. So suppose, for example, in our case with the COVID, they're just lying down and saying, Baba, help. Yes, Baba will help, but you need to do the things like calling the doctor's office, calling Jeevan, finding out what all steps we can take. Do them, do the steps, and then leave the result to go. Even in Bhagavad Gita, like Jeevan said, that's what Sri Krishna said, do your duty and leave the result to me. So fear, yes, we get it spontaneously, but we can control it with our own positive attitude and bringing safety into it.
Yes, Mani.
Nice, Atta.
గాల్లో దీపం పెట్టి one second. గాల్లో దీపం పెట్టి దేవుడా అని మనకు we probably we have
Yes,
now.
yes,
We have
yes.
to take our action.
Yes,
We believe
yes.
in God, holding
Yes.
on God, faith in God, and do action.
Yes. Do action and leave the result with faith in God.
That's what.
Yep.